Cogent didn't just come in from day one and say, hey, we're gonna make all these changes and it looks like a big fairy tale. They did it consistently week in, week out, week in, week out. The progress reports were proving what Cogent said they were gonna do, they did every week.
I know where we are every single minute of the day now. I know what our cash position is. I know what our AR is. I know what our billing situation is. Knowing your exact cost and knowing what all of our sales department should be producing has made an incredible difference in just how we approach the business.
This is giving us a roadmap and tools in order to meet my profitability targets, my revenue targets, and everything else. Before we would hope we would get there, now we know what we need to do in order to get there.
And it really is kind of like a crash course in business.